Welcome to Casual Cooking's channel, sharing Hong Kong style red bean cake today. The ingredients are very simple. About 100 grams of red beans soaked for 12 hours. If not pre-soaked, need to extend the cooking time. Pre-soaked to reduce cooking time. A small amount of peel. This is wheat starch. I don't know the reason. Many people call it dan flour. 1½ pieces of cane sugar, corn flour. If you want to record the amount of ingredients, you can take a screenshot. Drain the red beans. Boil red bean sweet soup. Although we only need 500 grams of sugar water, it is recommended that you cook more, because during the cooking process, water evaporates and the amount of water decreases. Add washed peel. The amount of sugar can be added or subtracted according to personal preference. Add 1½ pieces of sugar. After boiling, cover with the lid, turn to low heat. Cook for half an hour. After half an hour, test its softness. Do not cook red beans until they are too soft. Prepare the starch first. Make the operation process more convenient. 30 grams of wheat flour. One gram more, never mind. 35 grams of corn flour. After half an hour, test the red beans. Try the softness of red beans first. Press it with your fingers. If it spreads out when pressed lightly, it means it is soft enough. Second, test the sweetness of the sugar water. Much sweeter than the usually. Sweet enough. But the red beans are not soft enough. Cook for 15 minutes more. And then test again. Test red bean again. It spreads out when pressed lightly. It's soft enough. Separate red beans and sugar water. Discard the peel. Only 500 ml of sugar water is enough. Pour 1/3 of the sugar water into the starch. Mix well. Spray the container with a little oil. Apply evenly. Ingredients are ready. It is time to cook the red bean cake. Boil the remaining sugar water until it boils. Turn to low heat. Add prepared starch water. Must be stirred evenly. Slowly pour in the sugar water, stirring constantly. It starts to thicken. Turn off the heat immediately. Mix it evenly. If you don't turn off the heat, it will be too viscous, resulting in no liquidity. It is difficult to pour it into the container. Stir evenly. Do not turn on the burner or it will become too sticky. Add appropriate amount of red beans. Increase or decrease according to personal preference. Mix well. Pour it into the container. Smooth it out with a spoon. Not finished yet, needs to be steamed. After boiling, steam for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat and open the lid. Let cool at room temperature for an hour. Don't use a fan to blow it. Don't put it in the refrigerator immediately. Can cause surface cracks. Allowing it to cool at room temperature for an hour is enough. After cooling, put it in the refrigerator and eat it in a few hours. The red bean cake is already frozen enough. Pour it out and cut it into particles. See how it works. Soft and elastic. 欢迎来到求其主的频道. Hope you like it. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please subscribe and click to notify bell. Never miss video updates. Thank you all.